Okay, so this next this next part is going to be towards the end of his video, but it brings up some of the earlier discoveries from like 2018, 2022 is the one he's talking about now with this SAR device, if you will, the scanning. Anyway, let's take a look at it.
Let me check this out. Okay, so I found this over here, and in 1998, Christopher Dunn wrote a book called The Giza Power Plant. However, in a chemical diagnosis, they found sulfuric acid, not hydrochloric acid. But still, chemistry suggests that hydrogen gas could be created from chemicals found in both the southern and the northern shafts, but it could also be produced from each shaft alone. So this theory isn't that far-fetched.
The next piece of evidence is the pyramid's ability to focus EM energy. In 2018, scientists used radio waves at different frequencies to see if the Great Pyramid would interact with electromagnetic waves of a resonant length. Their experiments proved that in a resonant state, the pyramid can concentrate electromagnetic energy in the internal chambers as well as under its base. Resonance in the pyramid can be induced by radio waves with the lengths ranging from 200 to 600 meters.
Wait. Okay, so there you go. This is in 2018. Chambers in Egypt's Great Pyramid concentrates radio waves.
The closer to 200 meters, the more dramatic the effect. A year after that, in 2019, Eric Wilson published a paper called A Large-Scale Thermal Acoustic Generator. The paper describes how, when granite and other rocks are vibrated, electrons will migrate through the rock and up to the surface. By combining science and music, the builders of the pyramid created a power-generating machine tuned to the natural harmonic of the Earth's vibration that primarily comes from the tidal energy created by the moon's gravity. This technology, created thousands of years ago, could generate unlimited clean energy. But how did they get the energy out? That brings us back to Tesla. His Wardenclyffe Tower was built on top of an aquifer, with copper and iron rods extending down into the water. When electricity was sent into the tower, it was to be transmitted around the world through the atmosphere. The pyramid is also built on an aquifer, and copper pipes and iron rods have recently been discovered there. If the caps...
Well, not only copper pipes and iron rods, but supposedly these huge structures that go 2 kilometers deep into the bedrock. Now, if this is real, and for now, it is not 100%, but if it is, this would change absolutely everything we know about the Egyptians, the pyramids, and free energy.
This has been described first by Christopher Dunn